Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to be illustrate and we are using the blend tool. Okay, here is a click shape tool. I'm selecting a circle, does matter what shape you use this, draw it and fill it what a gradient or whatever color you fancy. Make it a lot smaller, and I am going to duplicate this a number of times. So holding drag the alt key, drag it to the right and then Ctrl D key and duplicate it. I say roughly 50 times or so 20 times. Select all of those and then go to object blend options. It's normally on specific color change, that to specific steps, just 50 for now, so we don't use up all the memory. And then go to object blend, make actually fit blend all those together, but you can still see those individuals in blending them. Duplicate that, hold down the alt key. Now we need some type to apply it to, so I've drawn some here earlier. We are blend, it's not all on path, or if I'm breaking it down, I've got the B, then I've got the L and E, then up at the end, then up with a D. So we are going to do firstly select B and one of the gradients together, holding down the shift key both, then go to object blend and then we want to click on the place the span and it will disappear and pay it to that path. But as you can see, we need to now I adjust the blend settings, so object blend options, and then we want to change this to 1000 now, so that makes it nice and smooth. As you can see, there's a few faults in it, so we are going to do is select the direct selection tool by pressing A and then selecting those individual share, wasn't just deleting them, and then you'll make it smooth out. Once we've done that, breathing go through the same process for the rest the later. I'll speed this up. Okay, now you've done the D, you may be fancy the other Y around, so that's behind path. The later you go to object blend and the removes front to back, and then here is my final result.